Hey guys, Cole here with MarineMax Naples. Today we're aboard probably my favorite boat, the 2023 38 Outrage, powered by quad 400 V10s from Mercury. Starting at the transom here, you'll notice our 80-gallon live well, accompanied by two aft-facing rod holders. On the starboard side, you'll notice our freshwater shower. Moving forward, we can actually close this door behind us. That keeps either the small children or animals just inside the boat at all times. We'll notice our 3 to 4 person aft seating, which faces forward, which is accompanied by our 12-foot shore shade. With this back seat up, it does give us access to our dive door ladder, which easily pops in to make getting on and off the boat from the water very accessible. Moving forward, this boat is optioned with the summer kitchen in the back here, which gives you sink, paper towel holder, plenty of storage, as well as a grill. And then of course we do have additional tackle storage or anything else you want to put down below here. We do have more rocket launchers and spreader lights off the back, as well as our downriggers. But as we move forward, you'll notice a fridge on the port side here. Getting over to the helm, we do have 3 helm seats with the electronic assist for the center helm seat. As we move forward to our actual helm area, you'll notice our classic Mercury joystick, as well as the new style throttles. This particular model is equipped with our twin ray marine screens with the black acrylic panel behind it. I think it just keeps a nice updated look. We do have all our rocker switches here easily accessible and labeled nicely, as well as AC at the helm, as well as in the cabin. All right, just to the port side of the helm here, we'll enter our cabin. As we step down, we'll notice all our AC panels conveniently out of the way, as well as some extra storage on our generator start-stop panel. As you can see, we do have additional storage over this way, as well as indoor rod holder storage that you can conveniently lock the cabin door if you're traveling overseas or to different marinas. This cabin does have heat and AC, as well as a full-size bed with this part flipped down. And then just flips up out of the way when you need a little more walkway. We do have a sink, as well as some storage underneath here. This boat is equipped with a full-size head and shower. All right, let's head back up to the bow and we'll check out that forward lounger. But as we move forward to the bow, you'll really find the selling point of this boat is this forward-facing lounger seat. Because not only does it make it a fishing boat, but it makes it a lounger where you can fish all the way around it. We do have plenty of storage underneath it also, for all your scuba tanks, short cords, cleaning bucket, and of course a stern anchor. Up in the bow here, you'll notice these back seats do retract up to give you essentially more bow seating with backrest, and an electronic table here that does raise up and down, which has a snap-on cushion which can easily be taken off. We do have a windlass and a freshwater hose off inside there, as well as 2 additional rod holders and pop-up cleats. This boat is equipped with the shore shade, so you can essentially have 2 poles and the mesh up top to have sun protection throughout that hot Florida summer. Again, this is probably one of my favorite boats Boston Whaler makes. This is our 2023 Boston Whaler 38 Outrage, powered by quad 400 V10s. Again, my name is Cole at MarineMax Naples. Come check us out for deals all month on this boat.